Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Vandana Gade. I'm endodontist by profession and I'm working in a dental college in Nagpur. At the same time, I'm maintaining my evening practice since last 15 years. Recently, I have attended the two workshops of Dr. Bhavdeep Ahuja. One will be on practice management and second will be on the finance. Both the workshops are awesome. I get so much knowledge in both the workshops. Though during these 15 years, I have developed my own set of system, but still, Sir has given you the innumerable knowledge and lot of tips, and that tips really helpful to grow your practice. I must say these both the courses are very useful for the beginners because clinicals, I personally feel that clinical skill is important, no doubt about it, but in clinical practice your non-communication skill plays a very important role. So this course gives you the ready-made template which will help you to develop your positive attitude, then your good communication skill, your good perception, and most important thing is that the ethics, which are not taught in any dental curriculum. Regarding Bhavdeep Ahuja sir, I must say he is a great finance guru, motivational guru, and he above all, he is a great human being. Thank you so much, sir, for giving us a great insight about the clinical practice as well as the finance. I'm extremely thankful for and I'm very happy by attending both these workshops. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.